Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Mexican hot chocolate. First, gather your key ingredients. You'll need about 100 grams of authentic Mexican chocolate, which often comes in tablets. Also, have 4 cups of whole milk ready, along with a cinnamon stick and a pinch of chili powder for that signature warmth. Don't forget a molinillo or whisk for frothing. Now, let's prepare the chocolate. Mexican chocolate typically comes in hard, round tablets. Break about 100 grams of these tablets into smaller, manageable pieces. This step is crucial because it helps the chocolate melt more evenly and quickly when added to the milk. Smaller pieces prevent clumping and ensure a smooth, rich base for your drink. Next, combine your ingredients in a saucepan. Pour in the 4 cups of milk, add the broken chocolate pieces, the cinnamon stick, and the pinch of chili powder. Heat this mixture gently over medium-low heat, stirring constantly. The goal is to fully dissolve the chocolate and infuse the flavors without scorching the milk. Keep stirring until it's smooth and warm, but avoid a rolling boil. The final and perhaps most fun step is frothing. Once the chocolate is dissolved and the mixture is hot, use a molinillo or a whisk. Vigorously rotate the molinillo between your palms or whisk rapidly to create a beautiful, thick layer of foam on top. This aeration adds to the drink's authentic texture. Pour into mugs and enjoy your delicious, homemade Mexican hot chocolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.